SBA Publications.
Hello my dear students, with me Vinita Nautiyal. You people are going to start your chapter number 4. I hope that you all are good in your home. Students, the topic number is basically related to your maths part, isn't it? But today we are going to learn about this topic in English grammar. So what we will learn basically? Let's come with me to know the same. So here we go. Let's learn. Numbers are of two types. They are called singular and plural. So basically student, they wants to tell you that number are of two types, that is singular and plural. When we talk about a single thing or a single person, it is called singular. Okay, when I am talking about just myself or just yourself, so it will be included in singular form. Clear? Like I saw a boy means one boy. Rima is an intelligent girl, and here we are just talking about Rima. So these two persons will be included in the singular number form. Clear? When we talk more about one, it is called plural. When we talk about more, जब हम एक से ज्यादा के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, तो वो किस में आएंगे? Plurals में आएंगे. Okay? As Leela has 2 pens. Means how many pen? 2. Means more than one. So it will be counted in plural form. Mohan purchased 2 books. How many? 2. More than one. So it will be counted in plural form. Clear? Children are playing in the park. Children means more than one child. So it will be counted in plural form. Clear? To indicate plural, we basically use S with a singular noun. When we are talking about the plural form, we need to take care of the thing that we need to put S over there. Is it clear? Means one doll will be doll and more than one will be dolls. In the same way, one cat will be cat, more than one will be cats. Here, pen and more than one will be pens. Book, more than one will be books. Simply we will just write S at the end of that spelling. Word, words. Spelling will be the same, but at the end you will put S. Horse, horses. Now, in some cases we use ES. Some examples are given below. Students, in some cases means after some words to make them plural we use ES. Why do we use ES? You will come to know in your next classes. Okay? Right now you just have to learn that spelling. Box, boxes. Bench, benches. Toothbrush, toothbrushes. Mango, mangoes. Potato, potatoes. Clear? Now, we also indicate the plural without using S or ES. हम plurals को S और ES लगाए बिना भी indicate कर सकते हैं. But in that case, spelling will get changed. Okay? As we can say man, M-A-N. When we will talk about the spelling of man, M-A-N. So it will indicate singular man. But when we will talk about the spelling of man, M-E-N. So it will be counted as plural form. Okay? Now here we have the spelling of child, means one child. When we will say children, so it will show plural form of the child. Women, women. Foot, feet. Okay? We can also learn in the following way. हम इस तरह भी learn कर सकते हैं. 1 tooth, 5 teeth. 1 mouse, 2 mice. 1 goose, 3 geese. Now, you have to do the given exercise. First one is write the plural form of the word given below. Here you have to write this plural form of the word that is given here. First one I am doing for you, that is mango. So you will write here MANGOES. Okay, this is the plural form of mangoes. Next, fill in the blanks with suitable words. Clues are given below. Add S or ES where needed. Now, here you have to add S or ES to make them plural. It was Sumi's birthday. Her parents gave a grand party. They decorated her room with balloons. Here you will fill balloon. So, here you will write the spelling of balloon with S. Okay? In the same way, you will also read and fill that. Your question number 3. List the object below based on whether they are singular or plural. One has been done for you here. You have to just write down the singular objects this side and the plural object this side. Okay? Now, so my dear student, I hope that today's topic, that is number, has been clear to you now. Okay? And to make it more clear, you have to do the practice session. Right? I'll meet you in your next class. In this class, we will learn this much only. Meanwhile, take care of yourself and goodbye.